Make a great choice today with
the 2026 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. Escape the mundane